Bidding on my first car in 2 minutes. Wish me luck.
New bidder.
$750. Ain't too bad.
Bonus time.
Decent running drive. Yeah, it's not too bad. 700. No, you got to pay no extreme shipping.
Sold on approval. Your watch item is next on the block.
Uh-oh. Nervous. Oh, man.
New bidder. Sold.
Uh-oh. Here we go.
New bidder.
Oh, man.
This is a hot lot.
Think I'm going 2,700, 2,800 the most. Oh shit, y'all, I'm winning. I'm winning. I'm winning. Oh man. Oh man. Think I'm going 3,000 almost. Let's see. 3,000 almost. Mother. Alright. Let's see. I said 3,000. I don't think I'm gonna go more than 3,200.
Bonus time.
Oh, don't do it to me. Come on, baby, don't do it to me. Oh man. I'm scared, y'all. Oh, I think I won it. Oh, I won it. Oh, oh my God, I won. Yeah. That's my first car. Oh my God. I won my first car. Wow, I'm scared. I didn't want to spend that much money, but scared money don't make money, man. Let's see what else is going on.
This is a hot lot. Bonus time. Sold on approval. Sold on approval.
$91,000 running drive. 2001.
New bidder.
It's not too bad. Rear-wheel drive, 6-liter. 6-cylinder, 2-liter. It's not bad. 800.
Sold on approval.
It's a good buy. Honda, 20,000 miles, 400. Yeah, Hondas, they sell.
New bidder.
It's a good price.
Sold on approval.
Let's take a look at what I won, y'all.
Sold.
I think it's a good buy. I hope it's a good buy. Buying this sight unseen. Taking a shot.
New bidder.
So we'll see how this turns out. It's 2003 Infiniti G35. Run and drive, salvage title. Salvage title, 67,000 miles. That's what really made me want to get it. 67,000 miles for 2003. That's really low miles.
New bidder.
Rear-wheel drive. I think I'm gonna flip this car, but I'm not too sure about salvage title cars. I never flipped a salvage title car before, so if it doesn't sell, I wouldn't be mad because I'll keep it. I got a 04 Accord that's 20 years old, almost 2000, and well, actually it's younger than this car. It's 2004, but it has 160,000 miles on it, so you know it's giving me a lot of headaches, little knickknacks here and there every time I turn around. Nothing too serious. So first kind of rest, I'll just sell the Honda. Well, maybe I'll keep the Honda, fix it up, and I'll just drive this. Even though I am planning on getting a BMW 5 Series, but I want to see how this goes. Maybe I'll flip it, put it up there, see how it goes, and
Sold.
I'll take it from there. But yeah, this is the car. Look like I got a little light front end damage.
New bidder.
Grill, bumper, maybe the hood. Oh yeah, some quarter panel damage, but that don't look nothing too
Bonus
bad,
time.
I don't believe. I got some rims on it, look nice. I think somebody will be interested in this.
Sold on approval. New bidder.
So I want it for $3,050. All together comes up to $42.44. So Copart fees was about $1,150, which is kind of crazy, but hey, what you gonna do?
This is a hot lot. New bidder.
It's paid for. All I gotta do is pay for the shipping. Oh man. Now I gotta order up the shipping. Ordering cars online like Uber Eats. Buyer number or bidder number. I don't know my buyer number or bidder number. Let's see. If I just go to account, maybe that'll have my buyer number or bidder number. It's my first time buying a car for Copart. Let me figure this out. Is that my buyer number? I believe that's it. Okay. This is the upload bidder sale. I don't know. Where do I get that from? I guess that would be my invoice. How do I get a copy of my invoice? Let's figure this out. I'm not exactly sure if that's the bill of sale. Let's see. Common questions. Okay, so I figured it out. For when you go get the shipping, it's gonna say upload a bill of sale. The bill of sale is the invoice from Copart. So basically, you just go to go to lots 1 and go to email invoice. It'll be right here. I think being that I pressed it already. It's not there no more, but it'll say email invoice. You just click on that and it'll email you a copy of the invoice. And when you get a copy of the invoice, it'll say invoice / receipt / bill of sale. And that's what you will have to upload to the shipping company so they can ship the car. So you go to dashboard Alright, that's how you do it. Go to dashboard. When you go to dashboard, it's going to show you the cars that you won. You just won. It's going to say payments due. I already paid it though, but just go to payments due, click on pay now. And when it pops up, it says right there, email invoice. Click on that. It's going to email you a copy of the invoice, which is the bill of sale, which is what you will have to upload for the shipping company, which I just did. Just added it. Click upload file. And everything should be good to go. Shipping was $747. The car was $42 altogether. Alright, let's check it out. Let's do some math. 42.44. 42.44 plus 740. So a little over 5,000. Or close to 5,000. If my math serves me right, I'm not really calculating correctly right now, but roundabout figure, about 5,000. So pay 5,000 for 03 Infiniti G35 with 67,000 miles, salvage title, light front end damage, and some quarter panel damage that I don't think is too bad. Look like it's pushed in, but I think I got somebody that could pull that out. Doesn't look too bad. Hopefully it could be saved. I don't gotta replace that quarter panel. I think it could be saved, but you never know until you get it in front of you. Interior looks good. The hood looks good. Sight unseen, so who knows? It runs and drives. Hopefully it runs good. I mean, we'll see. So that's how you buy a car for Copart. Order it up, get it shipped directly to you like a pizza pie.